What's that smell? Is it me?
Doodle, you need to clean up.
Friends, do you think I need to clean? Do you know what happens if we don't clean up? When we play, germs stick to us. Can you spot them? Point, point. Did you know germs love to hide? Can you see them between my fingers? You're a germ detective. Germs can make us sick. Do you know what scares them away? Is it ice cream? Is it dino dance? Is it bath time? Yes, it is bath time. Let's become bathing superheroes. Oh no, run away! Let's begin our bathing adventure. Are you ready? Say squeaky clean if you are. Step 1, turn on the water. Twist, twist. Now it's soap time. Rub in circles like this. Arms, chest, legs. Your turn. Rub, rub in circles. Whoa, so many bubbles. Let's pop them together. Bubbles, bubbles, pop, pop, pop. While you soap your body top. Hey, bathing superheroes. Do you know the next step? Yes, scrubbing. Let's begin. Scrub with me. Scrub, scrub, scrub away. Germs don't get. Wash your arms and knees and toes. Bye-bye dirt. Off it goes. Hey, friends. Did you enjoy Scrub-a-Dub? Let's make it more fun. Let's scrub our favorite bath toy. Scrub, scrub with me. Now it's squeaky clean. Now it's head bath time. I know, you don't love it. But guess what? It keeps our hair clean, fluffy, and soft. Touch your head. Tap, tap. Ready for foamy hair? Foam, foam, up we go. Round and round, nice and slow. Fluffy, bubbly, clean and fair. Look at Doodle's foamy hair. You have to rinse every part. Rinse your hands, let's count. Now rinse your chest. Rub, rub. Now your feet. Wash, wash. Bye-bye, germs! Make sure you turn off the shower and tap. Water is precious. Step out safely. Now, pat yourself dry. Dab, dab. Arms, head, feet. All clean and dry. Hooray, we did it! Let's do the germ scan. Mission accomplished! Let's revise. Step 1, splash, splash, wet your body. Step 2, soap time. Step 3, scrub-a-dub. Step 4, rinse it off.
Step 5, pat dry. All clean and happy.
Hope you enjoyed the bathing adventure, my friends. It's important to take a bath every day for superheroes like you and me. Now, sniff and tell me, how do you smell? Sniff, sniff. Yes, you smell fresh and flowery. Stay clean always. It's the Doodle way. For more fun, follow me.